Welcome back to the Cozy Cottage Homestead. Every Friday in October, I'm going to be posting a wonderful pumpkin recipe. It is going to be called It's a Great Pumpkin Recipe Exchange. I also have some friends that's interested in joining the fun with me, and we want to share it with all of you. And that would be A Godly Home, B.C.Homesteading, and Mama Bird's Pantry. I will add them in the link tomorrow, or you can go look them up today and check them out. And we're going to be sharing recipes on how to add more pumpkin to our diet and fill up some of these old-fashioned recipe cards so that we can all share creative ideas and have fun along the way. We're all so excited and looking forward to seeing you all tomorrow for It's a Great Pumpkin Recipe Exchange. Farewell, Homestead family, friends, and neighbors from the Cozy Cottage Homestead.